Hi there, I'm Matt, and I'm going to help you sign up and use FlowSpeak. Let's get started. When you land on the registration page, look for the logo for your organization or school and also the name. Click on the Sign Up tab, enter your name, email, and make a password, or you can use your phone number instead. When you land on the home screen for FlowSpeak, you should see your name and the logo for your organization or school. Each week, you're going to receive 5 or 6 lesson cards. Let's try one of the expression lessons. The first screen starts with an explanation of what this expression means. You can see the translation for the definition by clicking this button, and you can set it to any language you're comfortable with. When you go to the next screen, the instructions are to listen and repeat.
Can you repeat that?
Now it's your turn to speak by tapping this record button. And you repeat. When you speak clearly, the colors of the words are green. When it's not so clear, it's yellow. And when it's completely unclear, it's red. You can tap to retry as many times as you like. If you speak slowly and clearly, you should get a high score. Try to get above 80%. Don't worry if your score is not 100%. Above 80% is a good goal. When you get to the end of the lesson, you'll get a done button and you can click and see the check mark on your card. Let's try one more lesson called an AI talk to show you how the conversation lesson works. This is a lesson about asking for directions downtown.
I'm Omar. Need help finding the downtown? Are you looking for shops, restaurants, or just the big city vibe?
I'm looking for a good restaurant. I feel like a hamburger. What do you recommend? These are open-ended responses. You can say whatever's on your mind. If you're not sure what to say, you can also click to see an example. After speaking, you'll see my voice is converted quickly into text. It's recorded so I can listen to myself, and the AI will give you instant feedback. You can click on this to get a breakdown of your score and feedback for your fluency and relevance. You can have this feedback translated into the language that is more comfortable for you. There's an example response at the bottom to help you form proper grammar and a clear communication. I encourage you to click around and look at all of the different features of FlowSpeak and explore the library for all the lessons you can practice with. I hope you enjoy it and go with the flow.